To do DoorDash pickup, start by receiving a pickup request from DoorDash, which will include the restaurant name, order details, and pickup time. Open the DoorDash app and navigate to the pickup screen to view the details of the order. Next, arrive at the restaurant at the designated pickup time and let them know you are there to pick up a DoorDash order. Provide the order number to the restaurant staff so they can locate the order and hand it over to you. Once you have the order, check it to ensure everything is correct and complete. Verify the order details, such as the food items, drinks, and any special instructions. If there are any issues with the order, notify the restaurant staff and DoorDash support immediately. After verifying the order, take a photo of it through the DoorDash app to confirm pickup. This step is crucial as it serves as proof that you have picked up the order and helps DoorDash track the status of the delivery. With the order in hand, navigate to the delivery screen in the DoorDash app and start the delivery process. Enter the customer's address and follow the in-app navigation to ensure timely and efficient delivery. When you arrive at the customer's location, knock on the door or ring the bell and hand over the order. Ensure you are handing over the correct order to the correct customer by verifying their name and order details. Finally, mark the order as delivered in the DoorDash app and take a photo of the delivered order as proof of completion. This step is essential as it confirms that the order has been successfully delivered to the customer and allows DoorDash to update the order status. By following these steps, you can efficiently and effectively complete a DoorDash pickup and delivery, providing excellent service to your customers and ensuring a smooth experience for all parties involved.